Kushi, you know what's fucking crazy though? No way. No way!
Were you the one that parked the BRZ?
No.
Oh, okay.
Because
B was like screaming. He was like, who the fuck parked this shit? He was like, I'm fine if you drive my car, but if you can't park for shit, then I don't want you touching my car. What the fuck? Dude.
Your boy got an STI hatchback!
Hold on. No fucking way. Is that Dave? Dude, what the fuck? You actually got it?
Yeah, I got it yesterday, and
Dude,
I told Tyler.
I was asking Tyler.
No. Tyler didn't know. I told him it had Rodnock, so he wouldn't find out. I was gonna tell everyone, but
yeah, that's what he told me.
you guys live so close that I was like, I need to tell you guys before I tell everyone else, because I feel like if you pass my house.
No fucking way. I was literally talking to Tyler like earlier. I was like, did you ever like get an STI hatch? Because Balu was on his story. This was on his story.
The speakers on this are so fucking good.
Dude, what the fuck? Yeah, she fucking rumbles. Dude, no fucking way you actually got it. Dude, that's fucking crazy, man. God damn. Dude. She looks so good.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Look on the driveway. What the fuck? Wait, what? I got it yesterday night. When I said that car had Rodnock, it didn't have Rodnock.
Yeah, fucking Nate was texting me, but I was like, dude, no, Drew said it had fucking Rodnock.
It's here now. 41,000 miles, bruh.
I cried on the way here a little bit, bro. I'm sad about my car.
This is why me and Balu have been trying to tell you to get a Subaru.
This is a short throw.
I know.
Did he add this one or is this stock?
No,
STI?
this is STI short throw.
Oh, this does not feel like this.
I know.
Mine, I don't think mine will feel like that either. Damn. Oh.
And it has an NVIDIA N1 exhaust on it. No, this guy already knew about the car. I told him before, but his dumbass texted the whole group chat. Cause Balu said, yeah, no, fuck no. Balu sent a video or like a photo of like a turbo, and then Sarang is like,
the turbo.
yeah, and Sarang is like, that doesn't look like your turbo, and this guy's like, yeah, wagon, new car. I called him right away. I was like, delete that fucking shit right now. Oh, fuck yeah, I got him that shirt when we both had the fucking. It's okay. Today's the last day. He's gonna have his car, maybe, guys. When are you meeting the guy?
Around 4 or 5, he says.
We got a better one.
Yeah, facts.
We get a better one. It's okay.
One day.
One day, bro. Yes, sir, but you gotta get that Subaru now. Subi.
6 hours later.
Yeah, I'm here with Nader Bader, and we're in the fucking Subi right now. And apparently one of our homies got a Subaru right after us. So we're gonna check it out. I'm fucking hyped, bro.
Yeah,
he's like the seventh. He's like the seventh dude that has a Subaru in our group now. So we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna meet at his house, and from there go get gas, and then I'm gonna head back home because I got school and work again tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys there.
No, yeah.
Wait, that's Tyler. Yo, fucking Tyler. No way. You have a fucking Subaru?
We both got Subi?
Congrats, bro! What is that shifter?
Dude, I know, but look, the stock wasn't here though. We're good. That was the first stall of this Subi.
Oh my god. Bro got tins. He got some foo-foo ass stickers on the back. I mean, he got the hearts, but like...
Want me to line it up?
Yeah, line it up.
Okay.
Oh yeah! We went from fucking VQ bros to Subi bros. That's fucking
we used
crazy,
to find the VQ,
man.
bro. Hey, peep the curb rash. Wait, hold up. Oh, woman driver. Over here, don't mind. Oh, look at this fog, the whole fucking rim.
Shit, bro.
Bro, this bitch, what?
Yeah, Joe, bro, put some 87, bro.
Facts.
We're gonna head down to Chris's house. I told him I got the Subaru, and he has a Slam WRX, 2011, I believe, 2012.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Decent. Just crawling out of fucking bed. Oh shit! Just in
This is what happens when you drive a static tube. You're always working on them bitches. Oh, you going lower for the winter? Or what's happening?
Nah, dude. Honestly, I'm done with the low shit. I'm done with it. Like this is functional. Like I could drive this.
And it looks good.
Yeah, it actually looks good.
And it looks
Like I
good.
could drive it as no like. I did my own alignment because I obviously work at the shop.
Yeah.
It's -4 all the way around. It's literally just perfect, you know.
His is what? 011, 012?
11.
11. He's fucking. Shit's.
I don't know. I'm just kind of like sick of the fucking scraping everywhere you go and shit. Like can't take it anywhere. Like I take this on the highway.
That's crazy.
So.
That's fucking crazy. Yeah.
How do you like yours?
Dude, I'm in fucking love, bro. Check it out. This shit's.
How the fuck did you get it?
So I've always been in the market of getting a fucking STI. In the hatch, only hatch, because it's my fucking dream spec hatchback. And Balu fucking found this one, and he's like, bro, there's no way there has to be something wrong with the car, but they literally just got it in. It's fucking clean. It's so mint. Looky iffy about, bro, because I don't really like World Rally that much. I fucking
It's the best fucking color, or black. Congratulations to you too. I didn't even say congratulations.
Thank you.
Damn. You know, I'm next.
Drew was fucking Nate in the back.
You know, I'm
That's why
actually
it's
like
so fun.
in the process of pulling a loan out of the bank.
What are you trying to get? The GR?
4-door R32.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah.
GTST.
Yeah. I could get one with like for like 15 G's. 20
Fuck yeah.
G's.
Fuck yeah, bro.
But that's gonna be that would be.
Missile.
Yeah, that'd be.
Hey, what
literally
about that
just
thing?
right. No, it's gonna. I'm gonna keep it.
Alright, cool. Bet.
Yeah. And then I don't know, maybe a 335 for a daily.
Oh, that's gonna be a fun fucking daily.
Yeah, single turbo.
4 PSI boost.
I'm on fucking intelligent mode. Fuck you, bro.
This is fucking fire, dude. This is gas. STI.
Rim speed, like covers and shit for the turbo. Cob intake, obviously, stage 1 plus.
And he got the interstate battery. What you know about that, bro? I bet you know nothing about that.
I didn't even know.
We sell those at my work.
Oh fuck, I gotta get rid of it then.
Yeah,
Oh no.
He going on the interstate with this bitch.
What are your thoughts? A long-time Subi owner, what are your thoughts on this car?
You put me on the spot. I don't know. Be careful.
Yeah, I know.
That's it. I blew everything on mine, so.
Is your brother parked like that?
Don't ask.
Bro, he fucking swung it in there, bro.
Every time I drive past, I see him parked in a different fucking angle. I'm like, what the fuck is he doing?
Fucking swings it in there every day. Hey, do you want to race though?
Fuck no, I'm gonna lose, dude.
No, I don't race, dude.
That's some bullshit. You said
I know.
some shit about gapping a Corvette. Did you actually gap a Corvette though?
Yeah, it was a base model C6.
Oh.
It was, but it was still a V8
It's still
though.
it's still a bad.
LS3.
Yeah.
Still fucked them up on North Ave.
Your new car? What?
Yeah.
Oh wait, that's nice. I like that. That's nice.
No offense, this car's nicer than yours.
No. Wait. I mean, his car is nice once he gets like shit.
Is that just me? But yours look like from the back, it looks like a Ford.
It looks like a Ford.
A Ford.
A Ford.
Ha ha.
Oh, like stand here. Doesn't that look like a Ford?
What the fuck? Like,
No, I see it. It looks just like a Ford. Fuck you, Drew. Nice Ford you got there, bud. Nice Ford.
yo, you know today a Ford GT guy said he liked my car.
Really?
Ford GT, like the Ford GT.
Oh, but you saw him on the way to work, right?
Yeah, and
me
he
too.
and he did like
with the Euros.
yeah.
Yep.
I bought it Monday. I didn't post on my store. I didn't tell anyone. I've been telling everyone like slowly. Rate the car 1 out of 10. Honestly.
Like a 9.
Okay.
But mine is 1 because it's a 4. It's like an 8.
8.5.
Mine?
Yeah.
Fuck you.
I
No,
like
that's a
it,
good
though.
rating, bro.
I like the blue.
Do you like this
See, for
hatchback?
yours, I
Do you like the hatchback?
Shut up, I'm talking. For yours, I like that it's glittery.
That's actually so true. His car's Here, let me actually show you guys. His car is look, it's fucking glittery. Don't mind the hand. It's fucking glittery.
You know, I can add some designs if you want.
Yo, Dev. Yo. So you know why I called you here? Whose car is that? That's my new car.
You're joking.
I bought an STI hatchback.
You're joking. No fucking way. No fucking way.
I didn't sell the Z either.
Oh, congrats, bro.
Look at the
No
seats.
fucking way.
Alcantara and everything.
Congrats, bro! And Tyler, congrats! I love you, Dad.
Dude, I got my car on Diwali and he got his the day after Diwali.
Oh fucking way!
Look at his fucking seats, bro. Look at his seats.
Recoro seats with Alcantara.
Yes, sir. What is this stock ass Subaru doing here? Get the fuck out of here, boy.
3 Subi Flow. Hey, hashtag Subi Flow.
I'm saying you should buy one too.
I'm gonna go right now. Let's go. Hey, Subi Flow. Let's go. Subi Flow. Subi Flow. Hey, the Chevy one. The one from Chevy. Chevy, yeah. Hey, the Impreza, bro. It hits.
Oh, God. 5 speed.
All that.
I respect.
Do a spinny spin.
Whoa! What'd you get?
STI hatchback.
I'm done.
In World Rally Blue. 2013, 41,000 original miles. I still have the Z2.
Yes, sir. You need to get a Subi, bro.
We're selling my car. We're selling my car. I don't give two shits. I'm joining the Subi game. Holy shit. Oh my lord.
The next day.
Alright, so Kushiva's right over there. Tell him to come here for just saying hi to us, but I'm gonna show my new car. Let's go. I'm gonna show you Tyler's new whip and let's see your reaction.
Where is it?
It's in the back.
Bro, he's gonna be. You know, he's technically the first guy in our group that has a black car.
That's crazy, right?
And you got the Recaro seats.
Oh God. Kushiv, you know what's fucking crazy though?
No way. No way. No way. Since when did you get this?
Since Monday. I didn't tell no one. You know in the group chat when you were saying like, yo, you should get a Subi. I had one, bro.
What?
STI hatchback, 41,000 original miles.
God damn, bro. This shit's nice. What the fuck? This actually made my day way better. Holy shit. Well, now you have 2 blue cars.
I know. Yeah.
Hell yeah, you got a Subi trio. No, actually, no. I was thinking like, for a second, how the hell did this kid get here? Did Tyler bring him? No, he was at work since morning. His Z's not here, so I'm like looking. I was actually looking around for a second.
Okay, so, you know one thing I realized? This entire video is gonna be filmed so weird. Cause like I have clips from when I first got the car, and I've had this car for a couple months, and I have clips of friends that I haven't even seen the dang car. Look at the freaking sky. What? The freaking balls. So Ali hasn't seen the car, and him and Kushiva are actually gonna be on their way now to come see it because they haven't. But I'm gonna start the car up right now because the car does need to warm up a little bit. When he does come, I'm taking it out for a little test drive. And later tonight, I'm actually gonna be heading down to a party. So that's why I'm a little ready and looking a little fancy right now. Check out my shoe game right now. Look at this. Look at that. 2 different pairs of shoes because I couldn't decide which one to wear. But yeah, I'm gonna try doing this quick. Hopefully they come quick because I gotta leave soon. So yeah, see you guys in a sec when he gets here. Okay, so they said that they're almost here. He's seen all the videos and whatnot. Obviously, I already posted about the car and has been here for months, so he definitely knows everything about it and he knows how it looks like. But we're gonna get his reaction of, I guess, sitting in it and driving it because he's experienced to see. Obviously, you know, a little bumpy car, a little bumpy, she a little bumpy, but he's not experienced the true power of a rally car, which I don't know if I want to push it. Obviously, it's a fucking EJ, but I'm gonna definitely take him out for a spin, give him a little pulls, and see what he thinks of the car. But hopefully he'll like it. I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see. I was like, why is Kushiv taking forever to get here?
Because I'm driving the old car that I used to have that I wish I still had.
It's beautiful from the silhouette I see.
Yeah.
Yo, wait, this is nice.
King Wolf Gamer.
I fuck with this. Can I rub it?
He's in neutral? Yeah, go ahead.
Oh shit!
She warm is fine. It's not that crazy.
Yeah, but like, hey, like the rumble.
Yeah, the rumble's nice. The rumble's nice. Oh fuck! I fucked that shift. exhaust at all.
Yeah.
I want to change it. The exhaust is not bueno.
Rocky going crazy.
Double G is running on my sneakers. When I do the molly, I be geeked. That bitch ask me how come I won't keep her.
What 3 things irritate you? Do not say my name.
Follow every speaker. No, I'm not a fucking mind reader.
3 things that you hate.
Yeah. No, yes. We can all
Food?
agree to
Who's
that.
food?
She can agree to that.
What do you have to say to that? She risen the camera. She de-risen the camera. She losing Riz.
With the big top. Get a pun up from center point.
It's smooth because it comes naturally.
Like
so
water.
much self-confidence.
Stay smooth like water.
Smooth like water.
Smooth like water.
Popping Narco. I remember cracking cars, Wells Fargo. Now I'm riding in the cars from the car show. Remember when they robbed me in the Monte Carlo? When I see them fuck niggas, I'm on low. Double G is running on my sneakers.
Oh my god, I'm hot as hell.
I do the molly, I be geeked. That bitch ask me how come I won't keep her. I can't save her, hoe, do I look like a preacher?
It's recording. Why is it recording, Drew? Yeah, there was a little rat. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog of Dana Patel. Because I'm better than you. What? Oh, Amy, handing it to Amy Patel. Transfer. Hello. It's not a picture. I know. She's acting like it's a picture. That's a too much of a time, so okay. See ya. I know. Dhruv, creator of the channel. Oh, this is a cute picture. Hold on.